Okay. Yep. Okay, I'm live. Right. So, yeah, it's the same thing. I'll start with, I think probably I'll either choose between POTD or a question from the last contest which I couldn't solve. Right. And after that, we'll go on to JavaScript. I haven't really done JavaScript in 2 days. Right. I couldn't stream yesterday because I had to go to college. It's almost like near the end of my college life at this point. I have only about, let's say, at max 7 8 days more wherein I have to go to college. After that, it's just end semester examination and my college life ends. Not college ends. My college will go on till June, July, but I won't have to go college anymore. Okay, let's start. Let me keep myself at this point. Right. Let's make it live chat. Hmm. What is this? What is this bird? Is this something new? What is this bird, bro? Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at the POTD. Sad, bro. College life best. Good going, bhai. Thanks, bro. College life best? No, bro. Not really. My college life has been absolutely boring. Okay, so it's an easy question. We have two special characters. The first character can be represented by one bit zero. And by the way, for the people who are in chat, you guys recommended me some Leetcode rating extension, right? Is it this one, Leetcode difficulty rating, or is it someone else? Because I feel like this rating has not this extension does not have rating for a lot of questions like for this one. Or maybe it's, I don't know. First character can be represented by, yeah, have two special characters. The first character, you know what, let's actually look at the POTD rather than this. Wish you first to or AC. Oh, accepted. 10 lead coding events, nice. That's good. Hmm. It was probably this contest. Maximum path score in a grid. I think I solved this. Yup, I solved this. This was a DP question. I've solved this. Hmm. It was 4 must be this one then. I've solved this too. I've solved this run. Why right? Yep. Then it has to be this. Minimum time to complete. Yeah, it's this stupid ass question. I've been trying to solve it on 2 streams as of now. Couldn't solve it in either. But I think I'll do it today. I have one submission. I think how to improve English speaking skills, brother. Hmm. I mean, in for English speaking skills, you're talking specifically about speaking skills, then just participate. Like, start speaking in English, that's an obvious fact, but participate in public speaking events, bro. That really helped me. This is a 1900 rated question. Makes sense. It's kind of tough. Hmm. Okay, we'll start from the very basic. Describe the question. What the question says. We have two drones. Okay, and today, if I can't solve it even today, then I'll finally like look up the solution. We have two drones. Each drone has to make D1 and D2 deliveries. Okay, each drone can't deliver at any hour, which is multiple of B1 means break 1 and B2. Okay, find the minimum time to complete deliveries, right? Binary search, I think. Yeah, this is a binary search question, but I always get stuck at writing that condition function. Of course, this is a binary search question that I know, but yeah, I get stuck. Hmm. Okay, so this is what the question describes. Now, what we infer is that let's say we're talking about, we would be given D1, D2, B1, B2. Okay, and let's say we have to check whether we can complete these D1 and D2 deliveries within a time of T naught, right? Within a time of T naught, basically 1 to T naught, both inclusive. Okay, both inclusive. So at any given T, there can be four possible options. There can be four possible options. We can deliver both. Mm, can deliver can deliver both, right? Can deliver both. Can deliver can deliver only D1. Similar for can deliver only D2. Can deliver D2. And the fourth option, cannot deliver any. Cannot deliver any, right? These are the four options that we can possibly have at any given hour. Now we want to see if we can fit D1 and D1 plus D2 deliveries within these three possible options, these three possible times. Right. Now, cannot deliver both. That is basically every number which is a multiple of B1 and B2, obviously, because at multiple of B1 you can't deliver D1, at multiple of B2 you can't deliver D2, and a time which is multiple of both B1 and B2 you can't deliver both, right? So K times K dot is when you can't deliver both. Okay, let's write condition like can deliver D1. Can deliver D1 matlab basically, uh, in this case, time, you can write that time is a multiple of D2, and in this condition you can say time is a multiple of D1. Hmm. Right. So our approach would be to first try to fill in all the exclusive hours, like fill in all the can deliver D1 and fill in all the can deliver D2, and then look at the common hours. Only then look at the common hours, right? If you still have any deliveries left. Makes sense. Let's write the function. I think I might have it today. Bool can deliver. Okay, this takes in your long t and int d1, int d2, int b1, int b2. Okay, there's a LCM function in CPP. Okay, it's just LCM. It's just LCM. Okay, just like GCD. So total hours equals to t. Okay, now first, can't deliver both. Can't deliver both. can't deliver both. You'll first find out the LCM. First find out the LCM. Uh, int, would it be int? LCM of B1, B2, yeah. Let's keep everything as long to be on the safe side. Bro, I can't type in winters. Int ll res LCM equals to LCM of B1 and B2, right? Now, how many hours you can't deliver both is basically LL can't deliver both equals to T divided by res underscore LCM, right? Because हाँ किस कॉलेज में हूँ IPU. I'm in my 4th year. Bro, how is your web dev going? It's going okayish. I wouldn't say it's going good. I'm focusing on JavaScript and Leetcode. I think that's very useful. It's going okayish. LL can't deliver both. Can't deliver both. Would this give us? Let's take an example, right? If we have, let's say if we have t equals to 30 and break 1, break 2, break 1 is 2, break 2 is 3, so the LCM would be 6. That means we can't deliver both at any multiple of 6. So 30 divided by 6 is going to give 5. If it was 35, it's still going to give 5, right? Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Can't deliver both. Now LL can deliver D1. LL. Now find out only. No, but we are also. See, the thing is, well, this is always where I get confused in the end. Oh, okay. Kind of make like a Venn diagram. You have this T, right? This is your entire T naught that we have to check. In this, we'll have a time wherein we can't make it something like this. In this, we're going to have a time where we can't deliver D1. Okay. Similarly, we'll have a time for can't deliver D2, and this common time is that multiple of LCM. This common time is that multiple of LCM. Okay. Can't deliver a D1 means equals to can bro can't deliver even if you can't deliver D1. First I have can't deliver D1. LL equals to 1 LL star T by B1. Okay. We'll have a can't deliver D2 B2. How do we make use of this? That's what. You annotating with your mouse? Yes, I'm using my mouse. वही मेरे से ही नहीं वही मेरा से होता ही नहीं mouse से. Bro, probably because I have a good like a table and good enough space. Mahas Vinayakam, what's up, bro? How have you been? What's up? Can't deliver D2. So we have this. We have this. So now, how many, how much time do you have to deliver a D2? To deliver D2, you have total T naught minus can't deliver D2, right? Minus can't deliver D2. To see how much time do you have to deliver D2, you have all this time besides that circle of D2, right? You have all this time. So what does this circle denote? This denotes simply can't deliver D2, can't deliver D2. Hmm. So int bro, doing good, bro. Nice. See, I'm getting a bit confused here. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Int available for D2 equals to available for D2 equals to T minus D2 के लिए पूरा टाइम माइनस can't available for D2 होगा, है ना? Like for D2 we'll have full time minus can't available for D2. Available for D2 equals to T minus can't deliver D2. Okay. And similarly available for D1. But then what's the use of LCM bullshit here? We can't deliver both, right? Bro, I'm getting confused. Pure maths question. Yeah, this is a maths question. You're right. And okay, like for D1 can't deliver D1. For D1 we'll have the entire time minus can't deliver D1, right? This is the entire space that we have. Why can't I draw? Right, this is the entire space that we have. Okay, for D1, am I missing something? Like, do we have to make use of this LCM bullshit? Because I didn't use it anywhere. Now what we return available for D2 should be greater than equals to hmm hmm okay. Okay, I feel like, yeah, our approach would be for D2, we'll first try to prioritize every D2 delivery at this point, because at this point we can't deliver D1. So we'll try to fix every possible delivery of D2 in this time. Then we'll do the same for D1. For D1, we'll try to fix every possible delivery of D1 at this point because we can't deliver D2 at this point. Now, if still anything is left, we assign it to the remaining part of universal set. I think this is it. This is where I was getting confused. अब कॉलेज आते हैं, हॉलीडेज रहती है, and fourth year we don't have to go to college much. Does anyone know how referrals work at American Express? Do I need to apply just after getting, or can I apply whenever I want? As far as I know, Pradeep bro, you message an employee there, you give him the job ID you want to be referred to, and he then refers you, and you get a special link which is only given to referred candidates. I have been referred, I think, twice or thrice. That's how it worked for me. Not LCM but HCF. Where? No, I think yeah. The thing is, try to fill all the for D2 deliveries. Try to fill all the spots where you can't deliver D1 but can deliver D2. Okay, so basically this blue part, we can't deliver D1 here but we can deliver D2. Okay, so that is how to find out this blue part. We add D1 set plus D2 set minus. To find this blue part, we basically we yeah, so we basically add blue plus, so it would be D1 plus D2 minus common minus D2. तो basic, oh, I'm stupid. It's D1 minus common. LL exclusive spots. Let me keep as descriptive names as I possibly can. Exclusive spots for D2 equals to can't deliver D1 minus can't deliver. Yeah, I think I have the logic now. Can't deliver both. These are exclusive spots for D2. What the hell? And then we'll have exclusive spots for D1 can't deliver D2 minus can't deliver both. Yep, this is correct. Hey dude, can you tell me which is better for me in current job market? Merge stack versus AIML or matches? Warad Dar, bro. I'm not qualified enough to guide you on your career choices. Find someone better, bro. I don't want to misguide you or anything. Exclusive spots for D1. Now fill in int D1 left equals to D1. Right. Int D2 left equals to D2. I probably like overcomplicated it way too much, but okay. Now what we'll do is D1 left minus equals to exclusive bro, let me just D2 left minus equals to D2. Okay, we first fill in using this. Now int can deliver both equals to, that is basically your t minus the union of these two sets. Can't deliver D1, can't deliver D2, minus common. can't deliver. D2 minus can't deliver both. Okay, okay. Can deliver both, can't deliver both. Makes sense. Now return if D1 left plus D2 left is less than or equals to can deliver both. Basically, the remaining deliveries should be less than or equal to the available spots. As simple as that. It's a hard medium. Yes, it is. You did AIML, right? I saw your LinkedIn profile. Awesome. You're final year student, right? Yes, I'm in my final year student. My niche was more into quantum computing. It comes under domain of AIML, but I focus more on quantum computing. Qiskit. It's a Python library based on quantum computing. Okay, yeah, this I'm pretty sure this is correct. Now we just have to do binary search. What is the upper limit here? Do we just keep the upper limit as see? Okay, keep the time. Int d1 equals to d0, int d2 equals to d1, right? d1 d2, I had d1 d2, right? d1 d2 b1 b2. Okay, int b1 equals to r0, int r1. Now what's the, of course the lower limit would be d1 plus d2, int r would be the upper limit. Keep this as b. The upper limit, let's just take it as, what is this, bro? What do you, long max? Do I keep the upper limit as long max? And in fact these wouldn't be, they would long max. Now while L is less than R, what am I doing? LL mid equals to L plus R minus L by 2 if can deliver. If you can deliver, the time is mid, you have D1, D2, B1, B1, B2. If you can deliver, then you can say R equals to mid. Else, if you can't deliver, L equals to mid plus 1, and in the end you return mid. Let's see. How many questions have we got? Mason PUBG, what's up, bro? What is the number 1972 under the problem? That's the rating. It's an extension to show you the rating of the problem. How many questions have you solved? 320 on Leetcode, 100 on Code Forces. Leetcode is down. It's working for me. Yeah, I'm using Brave. Brave is based on Chromium, right? We can. I'm not able to build logics when I go on Leetcode. I watch this tutorial and I'm dumb. Wait a minute. Terminate call after throwing an instant of invalid argument. Is it because I'm keeping... Let's keep it as... What do I keep the upper limit for these questions? Name of the extension, it is this Leetcode difficulty rating. Why am I getting 5? Bro, why is it... God damn, bro. What the fuck is wrong now? You can't deliver both. Bro, I'm pretty sure there's nothing wrong now. Now, what the hell is fucking... Wait. See how? Checking for mid. Checking for mid, right? See out. See out. Possible. Impossible. Now Leetcode is up. Yeah, it's working for me. Oh, god damn. So for 4, it's telling me it's possible. How the hell is it possible for 4? Okay, these two are working. For 4, I think I'll have to try run it myself. When t equals to d1, d1 is 3, d2 is 1, and we have b1 as 2, b1 as 2, and b2 as 3, right? Now their LCM is 6. In fact, I think typing it out would be, now can't deliver both equals to, make it a bigger size, can't deliver both equals to, when we're checking for t equals to 4, we're checking for t equals to 4. Okay, can't deliver both equals to 4 divided by that is 0, and can't deliver d1, can't deliver d1 would be 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Can't deliver d2 would be 4 divided by 3, that's 1, right? Where am I going on? Leetcode is down for you as well. Why is it working for me then? It's working for me. What is this bird, bro? What is this? Goddamn bird. What the hell am I doing wrong now? Exclusive spots for d1 equals to can't. What am I doing wrong now? I'm trying to first fill in all the exclusive spots. What the hell did I do? Exclusive spots for d1, exclusive spots for d2. Okay, this has to be can deliver both. LL equals to d1 left plus d2 left. It should either be less than. Is it because of this condition? No, I don't think so. Yeah, this would fuck it up now. I'm trying to get into a college right now. I have knowledge in C++, MGUI, etc. I make basic cheats and I even around 50k a month from it. I'm not doing DSA right now. Is DSA like very important? I mean, I don't even know what this IMGUI means. You're probably good to go if you're already earning. Bloat-free graphical user interface for C++ with minimal dependencies. Damn, it has 10,000 commits. 70,000. I mean, I think you're good to go, bro. DSA is not really important. It's important for on-campus placements and MNCs. Startups don't give a shit, at least in my limited experience. Okay, this is the total time is 4. Now in here we have can't deliver D1, and we have another can't deliver D2. We have two sets can't deliver D1. I'm very close. I'm not taking. I okay. I can't say it, but I'll try to solve it on my own. I don't think so. I need any help at this point. I'm probably doing a very silly mistake. So there are two sets. They don't have anything in common because we can't deliver both equals to 0. Right, total is 4. Can't deliver D1 equals to 2. Can't deliver D2 equals to 1. 2, 1, and 3. No. 2, 1, and 1. 1 is the remaining part. Now what? So first, oh, what's going on in life in terms of a job? How hard is it? No, I'm not. I'm in my 4th year of college right now. I haven't got a job yet. We're already making 50K and not even college. What am I doing wrong? Exactly. You're good to go, bro. So can't. So for D2, we'll first try to fill in on these. What were the values of D2 is 1. So D2 just goes here. 1 for D2. For D2. And D1. So for D1, we have 3 deliveries. We can only do 1 delivery here. Now the remaining, final remaining would be 2, right? The final remaining would be 2. Both of D2 and D2. Both of D2 and D2. And we have this as 1. So we can't deliver this. Why is my function turning true then? Why is my function turning true? Exclusive spots for D2 is you can't deliver D1 minus can't deliver both. For D1, it's you can't deliver D2 minus can't deliver both. If x equals to not x, t equals to 4, see out. D2 left, final left equals to, okay, we see out them, see out, uh, common spaces left equals to, common spaces left equals to, can deliver both. Okay, this should give a clear picture about where our calculation is going wrong. The problem is college. I didn't get good marks in class 12, and right now I only have knowledge about coding, but colleges don't care about that. I feel so stuck, man. What do you think about Scala and Newton School of Technology? Honestly, I haven't heard good reviews about them, but again, I might be completely wrong. Wh- I might be completely wrong. If you're doing good, you can just make your bro. Like, what do I even say to you? Final left equals to 1. Why is the final left equals to 1? Oh, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. I did a very stupid mistake. We'll just do this one. D1 left equals to max between D1 left, comma 0. D2 left equals to max between D2 left, comma 0. Okay, it's going to work now. I want to get into college just for exposure and connections. If I can find someone like me, I can start a startup. To go into a college for good connections, you have to go into a good college, right? You can't find good exposure and connections in a tier 3 college. I mean, in majority of them. And to go into good college, you'll have to grind the JE method, bro. Yeah, this is working. Let me submit it. I think I solved this. It possibly can't be any wrong. Yeah, I think. What's the range for answer? DI can go to 10 raised to 9. DI can go to 10 raised to 9. So it's going to be 2 into 10 raised to 9. Let's have this 2 star. If this doesn't go, unknown network error. What happened? Is my internet for exposure bits is just goated? Yeah, I can't deny. What, Leetcode is down? At the exact point when I was about to submit my code, it goes down. Wow, bro. Not free, I meant down. Some systems are down. Leetcode problems at page. Come on, bro. When I was about to submit, damn it. Did all this for getting internal server error. Exactly, and I'm pretty sure my code is correct now. But the founders of these colleges have connections and many investors. Don't you think that's a good thing? And what about 100x school? Founder of these colleges, bro. That's I don't think so. Anybody looks at that way. The founders of these tier 3 colleges, it's always well connected people, but who are like into politics or any other thing. They are not. They are generally not tech guy. They're not tech people. Harikiraj Singh, of course, he has, but I think also 100x school is really expensive. It it all depends on how financially stable you are. Can you take a risk of probably what's the fees of 100x school offline? I think it's 30 lakhs. First year is 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Yeah, so it's definitely not cheap. Tuition and degree fee. Okay, so you'll have to hostel and all and food, everything else is different. Hmm. Come on, bro, lead code. Fuck lead code, bro. At this point, when I actually had my correct code and I just wanted to submit it. God damn it. Let's try opening. I have the money, but it is BSc, man. Others, what's up, bro? What's up? How have you been? Lead code is down. I want to submit a question I had been working on since like past 30 minutes. I have the money, but it is BSc, man. What is BSc? You want to pursue BSc? I hope my code is saved. If it is not, bro, what do we do now? Let me try opening on some other browser. God damn it, bro. Trying incognito? Nah, it's not working. It's not working. Can I at least like open the discuss or problem section? Come on, bro. Leetcode China must be what? Oh, Leetcode China is also not working. What do we do now? No, 100x is giving a B. Oh, 100x gives a BSc degree. 100x offline degree. BTech or BSc. What is this? 3-year BSc, 4-year BSc with honors. Oh, yours working fine? Oh yeah, it's working. It's working. It's working. What was the contest that I? It had to be this one. If my code is erased, I'll fucking go crazy. No, it's fine. It's fine. This might give an error. Is this a valid? Okay, let's submit it. No, I could have used a test case to check. See? Oh, this is basically because of the limit. Take this as 3. Okay, there were no errors because of our logic. It was just a boundary limit that my program reached. VPN again. What limit? Do I just give LL max at this point? Do I just give LL max at this point? What should I? Do I just give LL max? I think long max gives an error. Right, this gives an error. No, it's working fine. Okay. Code Wars is more good. I do not know about that. Signed int overflow. Where? God damn it, bro. See, even if somehow magically I got the logic correct in a contest, in a live contest, I can still never solve it in one attempt because of all these stupid errors. Do I still have any more int? Let me change every int to. Where's the int? Let me change every possible max. What the? I'm in NIT Silchar and I'm starting my coding journey with C++ and currently I'm doing strings part. Am I going right? I'm in first semester, by the way. Yeah, of course, everybody starts with string. You're going good. First semester good. No, don't do that. First learn how the memory section works, then go into C++ section. If you do it this way, you will fall in love with C++ debugging. Okay, that's a suggestion. I haven't really tried out myself, and I can check out myself. You're talking about memory section works. Okay, memory management in CPP. Bro, seems like you really love CPP. Finally. And we got 100%. Hmm. Was this worth the fucking 1 hour we spent on this stupid question? Probably. It's a 1900 rated question, by the way. Pretty sure. Okay, this was in Amazon. No way. Hmm. Let me just do JavaScript now. No more DSet way, bro. Let's just do JavaScript now. And to Tetris, do this. You will love this, man, for you. Do you have some resources about the things that you're talking about? See, basic man. Hey, what's up? What's up, bro? Kirtan, bro, what's up? Let's do JavaScript. Given an integer array and a reducer function and an initial value in it, return the final result obtained by executing the function on each element of the array sequentially, passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. What? Val equals to function int num0, val equals to function val. Oh, so the first. The ultimate value val is then returned. If the length of the array is 0, the function should return init. Please solve it without using the built-in array.reduce method. Okay, so we have different methods: map or for each, and reduce. They told us not to use reduce. The difference was map returns an array, for each does not return an array. In JavaScript, if nums dot size, I hope this is how we check sizes in JavaScript, right? Size of, I'm so bad in JavaScript, it's embarrassing. I audio increase karo. I think this is the max. I hope this is better. Did you paste some link or are you talking about something else? Yeah, you see, basic man, you can't paste links in YouTube chat. You can't paste links here. Probably give a broken link, I'll fix it myself. My array dot length. Okay, it's dot length. If nums dot length equals to 0, you return init. That's how we ask, right? Okay. Int prev answer. I'm confusing with CPP. What am I doing? Let prev res equals to init. Okay. What we do is nums for each. We take in the value and I and in the function we pass in the initial value and the num0. Okay, let temp equals to function with value and prev res, and then we make prev res equals to temp, and in the end we return prev res, right? It's giving a wrong answer. NAND to Tetris. Okay. The official website of NAND to Tetris. So you're talking about logic gates.
On building a different module of the computer's
Building a modern computer from first principles. Okay, that sounds cool.
hardware. To build this functionality using chips that you've built before.
I remember studying this.
But don't worry.
This give me callbacks to DLC dates, a subject we studied in college. I'll check this out. I can probably save this into my watch later. Okay, I'll check that out. Yeah, what's the error here? One, two, three, four. The init is 100. Let previous equals to init. And we're supposed to give init. Oh, I'm giving the stupid previous val. Yeah, this would work. Usually, what do you think? Our student should start solving Leetcode questions after completing DSA, or if she I didn't understand. What did you try to ask, Ritik? Usually, what do you think a student should start solving Leetcode questions after completed DSA, or if he or she is active towards classes too? Bro, is Leetcode down again? Show your Leetcode profile. Leetcode is down, but okay, let me try. Leetcode is down right now. Hmm. Before building, you should know how to break things. For breaking, you need hands-on experience. For that, use CrackMess, and for cracking, use 64 debugger. I hope that's what that meant. Leetcode is down, yeah, so they probably can't search anything. Leetcode is down. What the hell is it wrong with Leetcode today? This should be correct. This for each let temp and then we're returning. Function composition. Till that time, let's check what basic man told us. Crack mess. What is crack mess? This is a simple place where you can download CrackMess to improve your reverse engineering skills. If you want to submit a CrackMess solution to one of them, you must register. But before that, I strongly recommend you to read the FAQ if you have any kind of questions. What is this? What the hell is this, bro? Latest CrackMess. Solve this one if you hate yourself. Derive the real key algorithm and produce valid unpatched keys. Your solution is accepted if you provide at least one of a full technical correct explanation of algorithm, a working keychain that produces valid serials for it. What is this? Are there any comments? Who the hell hurt you that bad? Okay, so it's analyze the program's inner working and bypass the production. CTF? Oh, this is what my friends. I have a friend who is really involved in all these CTFs. He's in cybersecurity. X64 DBG. Is this somewhat related to cybersecurity? Is Leetcode is Leetcode working now? Come on, Leetcode, bro. They've been fucking pissing me off today. All crack me crazy. Yep. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's related to cybersecurity. I've never done that. Where was I? Hmm, I don't need this. Why do I have so many tabs open? X. What did you say? XDBG64. X64 DBG. Code Wars. Okay, let me see what bro is talking about. Code Wars is also having a server error. Is there a AWS outage again? Leetcode is a shit show. No community support, etc. Code Wars. Code Wars. Bro, is Code Force is down too? My internet connection is broken. Okay, so I think this is some global problem. Do we have Geek for Geeks? Geek for Geeks is working. At Coder. What am I doing? At Coder. No, that is working. Come on, yaar. I wanted to submit that question, that JavaScript question. I need to go to the gym after this. Cloudflare gaya kya? Looks like it. Looks like it, bro. Hmm. See, the point is I can't even see the next question. The next time I I could have acted smart and opened a few questions so that I could at least solve them. Function composition, return, length of arguments passed. Hmm. Come on, bro. 2626. Okay, then I think I might have to just end the stream right here. I'll probably submit it off stream then. The questions there are really basic. I've tried. I don't know if there is some section with good questions in it though. In Code Wars? What is Code Wars and why have I never used it? It's not working. Please try again in a few minutes. On Cloudflare's network. Do I click this? No. Crack mess. What the heck with Leetcode? I just started solving PWD. Exactly. We are experiencing global network issues. So it's from Cloudflare site. Hope they don't cancel today's Div 3 because of this. Freddy, what's your Code Forces profile, bro? Let's look at your profile. If I mean, oh, Code Forces isn't even working. I can't even look at it. No version is working. Leetcode China isn't working. Not that good. I will do CF today. Created an account. Bro, well. You're Tarun, right? You're Tarun from Discord. I was hoping at least I reached specialist today. What's your current rating? What's your current rating? Oh yeah. Okay, for Tarun you can easily you can do good in Code Forces. You're already so good in Leetcode. 1376, bro. And you telling me that not that good? Are you stupid? That's a nice rating, bro. Crazy good rating. And what's your lead code rating? You must be like, if I were to guess, if your pupil, bro, that's still really good. If you're almost 1400 on code forces, you might be like 1900 on lead code. 1800, 1900. What's your lead code rating? Okay, it's working, it's working. 1870, I showed none. I forgot, I'm sorry. Bro, how's your college placement going? It's going very average. Not at all good. Yeah, it was 1275 2 days ago. Then I got minus 125 in code forces. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Oh, Pradeep, you're that guy who has two accounts. I forgot. Okay, this would work. What's up, Cruz, bro? Days my account was back. It's all about community. The most fun comes from helping people, not just doing questions. The thing was, I made a question with a joke and my account got banned, but in Discord, I submitted a message, and in 2 days, my account was back. It's all about community. Why would they ban you at the first place? Bro, minus 125? Like, you did not attempt that contest or what? How did you get a minus 125? Okay, let's try this extension that I downloaded, Leetcode editorial fetcher. Bro, it never works. It's a bullshit extension. 5 different methods. Reduce function is a high order function that takes an array, a reducer function, and an initial value and returns a single accumulated value by applying the reducer function to each element of the array. Okay. So basically in this question we had to implement the reduce function without using the reduce function. We can iterate over each element of the array, apply the reducer function to the current value and current element, and update the accumulated value. That's what I did. Value equal to init. That's the very okay. I did it like this. Value equals to function value num, right? Using recursion. Why would you do recursion in this question? Else head equals to num0, tails equals to nums dot slice 1. Okay, the first element. Constant value equals to init head return. Who the hell would solve a question like this? Use a for loop. Good editorial. Let us upload this guy. Where do we upload from? Oh, here it is. Let's upload this guy and go on to the next question. Function composition. I noticed that I didn't sub you till now. This did lol. I mean, you come regularly. That's good enough. I made a question with something to do with gay people, but it was funny, man. Okay, minus 125 is crazy. Is it like getting directly demoted to previously? Exactly, that's what I'm asking. Minus 125, it's a very big jump. I'm in a group, many people are international master of CF. Feels bad to be solo. Yeah, it feels bad, but at the end, bro, when you're in a group of people who are way more qualified than you, you're only going to get better. So think of it in a positive way. Because I couldn't solve anything, man. I did one, but I don't know if it got hacked or something. Check if CF is working or not, bro. I think it might be working now. Yeah, it's working. What's your profile, Adarsh? The user is disabled. Dominus 69 got disabled. What? This is my ID, by the way. I did about 100 questions and then I stopped. Isan's, oh yeah, I remember you. You showed your profile that day. 1117 minus 113. Bro, that's okay. Come on, minus 45 in only 30 problems. Wow. What was your read Leetcode rating? 1770. Damn, bro. How are you so good while only doing 260 questions? How are you so good? Open Arman Singh. Okay, let me check Arman Singh. Let's look at this. Bro, I hate how stupid the UI. It's a div too. Let's look at this contest. Bro, Arman Singh, did you mean for Code Forces? Because your profile is empty. Oh, CF. Pradeep, yeah, I do remember your ID. Bro, give me some tips as well. CPP Akash. Bro, I don't, I'm not worthy giving anybody tips. 1000. That's crazy. You have a good rating, bro. And you've solved about 360 problems. Damn. You're about to reach that. This is what? Pupil, right? Pupil. Nice, bro. 37 in a day. Hero max 1770. I had an account in 30, man. It just got banned. I used to submit like from 2 IDs. Oh, not to see. Then it's good that you got banned because that's not allowed. You can't submit from 2 IDs. Yeah, I remember Pradeep's ID, bro. 1800 in just 25 contests is crazy. And for the guy who was asking my profile, what is this bird? I am 1688 in 12. Let's check my predicted rating for this week. Leetcode rating predictor. I mean, fair. How the hell is yours opening? Try on a different browser. Try on a different browser. No, 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 no. I meant, bro. They don't update their ranks or what? My rank is about 6,000 in the last contest. Please check your ID. Okay, let me check your ID. But bro, you and I are of the same level. I don't think so. I have any advice for you. Yeah, you want advice. You're 1866 and you want advice. Get the hell out of here. The predictor does not change. It remains same once contest is over. They don't update the ranks as per Leetcode. Hmm. These guys exactly. This guy's asking for advice. Like, bro, come on. The only advice I'll give you is to go touch grass. At this point, you've attended 64 contests. Just take a break, dude. But see, now I've given 66 contests. Like, it's it's like too many and I'm stuck. At this point, you're just suffering from success. This isn't a bad rating by any means. Yeah, it would be +4 or +5. Hmm. I I'll try to reach 1700 before 15 contests. Okay, what is C basic man telling? I didn't like DSA before, but because of Code Wars, now I think DSA. What the hell is Code Wars? Let me see, bro. Can't I look at the problems before? Do I have to log in? Can I not like look at the problems? Code wars, problems. I've given 66 contests. Bro, you're good as hell. 74 hard questions, that's crazy. Exactly. See, basic man, the guy in the chat, he's recommending to check out Code Wars. That's what I'm looking at right now. Calculate average. Write a function that calculates the what? What is this Q? 8Q? Honestly, first impression, the UI is trash as compared to Leetcode. Code Wars problems. Get started. Okay, let me try logging in. Am I correct? 1Q? Okay, what did you write? If you want to be good in DSA section, you need to be strong in the mathematical part. Not really. You need to be strong in mathematics if you want to excel in code forces. I mean, it's never a disadvantage if you are good at maths, but it's not a compulsion for lead code. Coding involved, if you're good at math, you'll be good at DSA side of coding, right? And I personally think that if you want to go deep into DSA, you should be aim to be in the top 10% or top 5. Then it makes a sense to focus heavily on DSA. If you're not that good, I don't think you should focus too much on it. You can do DSA in parallel, but you shouldn't make it your main priority. And most of them are actually just average. You should either be the best or it's not worth focusing too much. I think we both disagree here. All these big companies, these farm companies, they don't give a shit about development. All they want is a guy who can solve lead code hearts under interview pressure in 20 minutes. They just care about lead code. Bro, do you watch? They just stream. Yep, I do watch his stream. In fact, he is the one who motivated me to start streaming during contests. The thing is, bhaiya, that I have not done dev at all. Like, just know the basic backend. So it's not even good at DSA. So I'm feeling like a lot of FOMO. By the way, in fifth semester, you have a lot of time. Just start development then. Just like make a CRUD API and like yeah, probably uh, explore open source. I rarely see any lead code question involving maths. Yeah, exactly. Maths is not a compulsion for lead code. It's a compulsion for core forces. I feel like. Okay, bro, enlist. Let's look at what the hell is this code wars. What describes your current? I'm comfortable contributing to production. I feel like I've mastered at least one programming language. Nah, bro, not at all. Hmm. Let's be honest and let's go beginner. CPP, C++. Can we choose multiple? What the hell? Are you interested in educational programs that assist you with your career development? Do you want to know? Bro, who the hell asked these questions for a fucking DSA website? Not interested. JavaScript. Yeah, CF and AdCoder both are very math centric. Yep, AdCoder especially. You can't do AdCoder without maths if you're not good at maths. My GitHub just like basic weather apps and to dos. If you're in a good college, you might as well chill because on-campus placements are mostly DSA focused, right? It really depends. If you're in a good college, if I have an internship interview, what should I prepare? DSA will not be asked. It really depends on what the job is about, what the JD is about. Okay, yeah. I was Bro, lead code is again down. You know what? Now, since I've solved the lead code question and I've solved the JavaScript question, I mean, not good college, bhaiya. Okay, then you have to balance both the boards. Start applying for the Amazon noise and all that, hoping that you receive a call back. What's your lead code rating? 1688. 1688. See, lead code isn't working. Nope. At this point, I feel like I should just play a game. Does anybody have like any suggestion? What game can I play until lead goes comes up again? Is this working? No, it is not. Hmm. Does anybody have? Okay. Did I say has? My bad. I need to get better at English. What? We can play Roblox. If any. Does anybody here play Roblox? I think it's good enough. You don't have to do any install or anything. Or you know what? Let's not even waste time. I think let's just end the stream right here. Yep, that would be a wiser decision. Lead code is bugging today. We can't submit problems. Fair enough. I solved one DSA and one JavaScript problem. Okay. So yeah, I think this was a fairly fruitful stream. We'll probably, yeah, I don't have to go to college today. Yeah, so we'll stream again tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today then. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for joining. Bye.